I wish I had kept that. I wish you told me because I clipped it moments before you hit me.
That's for both of you.
What?
You
No,
knuckleheads.
no, you. No. Hey, I'm a ninja, okay?
Hey Zach,
You're
you
not.
can get me. Woohoo!
Alright. Let's see. So are we gonna get anything for this?
Probably not.
Alright, let's go inside.
Yeah,
See if maybe we get something.
It better be a Happy Meal.
Let me get my restart. Oh. Alright. God, I can't.
Are you loading as well?
I drove up. I'm running right back into the building. I'm knocking people over in the process. Knocked over the dude's
Next
coffee.
data leak. Wait a minute. There's 3 recoveries for the phone. So you're telling me that we have to recover each little piece of it?
Are you fucking kidding me, man? Are you fucking kidding me?
Hang on, let me look.
It's...
Let me confirm my suspicion. Yeah. Yep. Okay. You guys ready to do the next one?
Well, it's the end of the year. I got time.
All right,
I can't speak for Ollie, but I can go all 3. If we do that.
Let's get going.
Joy. We have to find a person's phone 3 times.
Uh-huh. Here, now this time you're piloting.
Yay. Sure
Go
thing,
down.
Mr. McD. I'm Launchpad McQuack. Here we go.
I got my back combat outfit on.
Launchpad McQuack. How original.
Hello, wait, don't exit, you guys! Jesus!
we're so anxious to get this shit over with. That's how bad.
Yeah, we're so eager to do
We're like, we're leaving. Like, no, you can.
Alright, there, now you're the pilot. Now you tell me if this thing is easy to fly.
You can do the job.
Alright, where are we going?
Wait for Franklin to call and hang up.
I'm like, oh.
There we go. Okay, Pacific Bluffs Country Club.
Yeah, it's a little shaky. I think I can do it, though.
Oh, I got a... Oh, didn't even know.
Okay, shit, wanna run us through it, Imani?
So, we're gonna need the club security footage. Job 1 is find the club surveillance room. Job 2 is break in. Then you're gonna use the USB I gave you to get into the archive and send the footage
Oh, I'm back
to me.
at 7 mil.
I'll scan it for a lead, then
That's good,
hopefully
at
we
least.
can pick up the trail of this data.
Alright, for sure. Shit, we on.
Good night, my lordy. Give me a good night for that, please.
Is this another triad, though?
Let's see if I can pull this off. Nice and easy.
Okay, so we gotta find a way to turn off the cameras now, please. So let's see if we can find a way to turn them off before we do anything, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Climb up. Climb on this, and see if there's a thing we can use to turn off cameras. Oh, hey, we could just do that. That's easy. Gotta stay out of sight of the camera.
What the hell?
Don't shoot the camera, okay?
No, that's not that. You guys are seeing where I am, right?
No.
A car just flew onto the fucking roof. I'm not.
You gotta,
I need. Hold on.
you gotta record that.
I'm not.